In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect IC markets to TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to tradingview.com and you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. And after this, hover over products and click on super charts. Now, when you are inside those super charts, this is where you can go ahead and connect it. So click on trading panel down here at the bottom and then drag it up a bit so we can see everything perfectly. There we go. And then in here, you should see IC market somewhere on the list of their brokers. If you don't see it, click on show all brokers and just scroll through, or click on Ctrl F on your keyboard, search for IC markets, and they're going to highlight over here and you can see them easily. Then click on them. And then over here, you have to basically select a brokerage integration. So you have, of course, three different options: IC Markets AU, and then IC Markets EU. Okay, so of course, whichever one you're using, click on that. And from there, you have to click on the connect button. And this is going to take you to basically IC Markets, where you have to just go ahead and sign into your account with your email and password. You want to click on login, then you'll have to confirm your connection. And after you do this, you'll be able to go ahead and start trading with your IC Markets account over here on TradingView. Just drag this down like this, and then there we go, you're ready to begin. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.